Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy a Python project on Cpanel. First, log into your Cpanel and open the Setup Python app under the Software section. Then, create a new Python app, choose your version, and define your project root folder. Now upload your project files to the selected root via File Manager. Next, include a requirements.txt file listing all needed packages for installation. Then, install dependencies by running pip install -r requirements.txt from the app dashboard. Set the application startup file, usually your app.py, main.py, or similar. Then, define the SGI file path if needed, especially for Flask or Django-based apps. Add any environment variables required for your app to run correctly. Now, restart the Python app, then open the provided URL to test your live project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.